Now, specific depends. When pathogens are able to bypass innate defense, the adaptive immune system is activated. Cells that belong in the body carry specific markers that identify them as cell and tell the immune system not to attack them. So the body has a property that it identifies its own cells and don't attack on its own cell. But when any invader enter the body, the immune system attack on it and destroy them. Specific depends the adaptive immune system. Once the immune system recognizes a pathogen as non-cell, it uses cellular and chemical defense to attack it. The specific defense system acts by two mechanisms. One is cellular and the other is chemical defense. After an encounter with a new pathogen, adaptive immune system often remember the pathogen, allowing for a faster response if the pathogen ever attack again. Once this mechanism has a specific characteristic, when it is produced against any organism, it remembers that organism. It produces chemicals, antibodies, or cells against that organism, and when that pathogen enter the body again, the system recognizes it quickly and attack it on it quickly and destroy it. So this is the beauty of this system, and on this basis immunization, we vaccinate a person for certain diseases like polio, hepatitis B, measles, and diphtheria, tuberculosis. By this vaccination, we produce the specific defense mechanism, and by this way, we allow the system to recognize these pathogens when they enter the body. Cell or antibodies is present in the body, and they attack on them and destroy them. Specific immune response. This is a cellular. The immune system responds to antigen by producing cell that directly attack the pathogen. So this pathogen has occurred when cellular response occur. This is by B cell, and these B cells are activated. Then the B cell take two ways. They produce two type of cell. One directly attack on the pathogen, produce antibody, and these antibodies attack on the pathogen and destroy or neutralize the antigen. And on the other hand, they form memory cells. These memory cells has the capability to recognize this pathogen. It will enter the body again. So these cells are present in the body. They recognize them and attack them, and in this way it is prevented from the severe attack. Specific immune response. Specific immune response are triggered by antigen. Every pathogen, bacteria, virus has antigen on its surface. Antigen are usually found on the surface of pathogen and are unique to particular pathogen. Every pathogen has a different type of antigen on its surface. The specific immune response produce specific proteins called antibodies. These are the antibody discussed in detail in another separate lecture. To an antigen in a attack cell that will engulf and destroy the pathogen. If this is antigen, the antibody attach it and neutralize it. Here you can see that this is the Escherichia coli, and it is called by the molecule of antibodies representing the immune system or a vaccination. This is a 3D illustration of antibody which surround the specific these Escherichia coli. So thank you. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for in time notification.